Introducing the LightCamera, our all-new premium and professional video solution that delivers perimeter protection in the palm of your hand. A standalone solution or integrating with our award-winning intruder alarm systems, its powerful HD camera, ultra-bright lights and siren are all automated and controlled by our bespoke app, protecting your outdoor areas so you can keep an eye on outside, even when you're not there and need it most. With the LightCamera, your home security is in your hands. This is how it works. When integrated with your alarm, the outdoor detector picks up the intruder, triggering the LightCamera to clip the video pre- and post-alarm. You'll then receive a notification alongside video verification, grabbing your attention, showing you what's happening, and giving you the power to act anytime, wherever you are. As a standalone device, the LightCamera uses invisible infrared light for optimum and discrete coverage up to 18 meters. You're secured, even in complete darkness. When the lights activate, your home is illuminated and the intruder is put right in the spotlight. With customizable detection areas to avoid false alarms, you'll get the perfect coverage of your outdoor spaces. Configured to suit you, you can view all your alerts, scroll through footage, and even have notification schedules set up so you receive, view, and take action when you need to see what's happening throughout the day. Watching over your home, the LightCamera keeps you aware of who's visiting while you keep up with your life. Direct deliveries or warn-off intruders with two-way talk.
Hello?
Got a package here for you?
Yeah, no worries. Leave it on the porch and I'll be with you in 10 minutes.
With the LightCamera, you're in control. Day or night, it's always there for you when you need it, lighting up the way and protecting what matters most. Give your security the spotlight and protect your home with the ultimate security camera, the LightCamera.